Hi, Kaberinatics! This is Nurse MJ in Qatar. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, love, and to subscribe. Thank you! Welcome to English word translated to Arabic words. Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay, the number 1 in Arabic is wahid. In number 1 word is the favorite word in Middle East is praise be to God. Once again, praise be to God. In Arabic word is Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. That's the number 1 word that you need to remember. Example of number 1 word. If your patient, here in Qatar, the patient, we call them as mama if mother, baba if father. So this is the example in my profession as a nurse here in Qatar. Common question in the home or in the hospital or in outside. How are you? Of course, the best response is I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Two, in Arabic word, itnan. Once again, two, in Arabic word is itnan. English word, peace be unto you. In Arabic word, salam alaikum. Example, if someone asks you or say salam alaikum, the best response is Malaikusalam. But other Filipinos, they respond Malaikosayo. But don't do that. Three, in Arabic word, talata. Once again, 3, in Arabic word, talata. Number 3, English word. Good morning! In Arabic word, Saba al-Khair. Once again, good morning! In Arabic word, Saba al-Khair. Example, the greetings is Saba al-Khair. The best response is Saba al-Nur. Means Nur means light. Four, in Arabic word, arb. 4, in Arabic word, arb. 4, English word is good. Good, in Arabic word is zen. Zen. Okay, they ask you, how are you? I'm zen. 5, in Arabic word, kamsa. Once again, 5, in Arabic word, kamsa. English word number 5 is no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. In Arabic word is la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Example. Patient finish eating. The best response If your patient doesn't eat, of course, la eating, la akil. 6. Arabic word is seta. 6. Arabic word is seta. Number 6 English word is yes. Once again, yes. In Arabic word is nam. In Arabic word is nam. Example. Are you happy? The best response is yes, nam. 7. In Arabic word is sab. 7. In Arabic word, sab. Number 7 English word is right. Once again, right. In Arabic word is yamen. In Arabic word is yamen. It's very common here in Middle East, that word, especially if you're taking a patient. Because, example, patient, we call them as baba if male, old male, and then mama if old female. So, example, baba yamen means baba in the right. 8. Arabic word tamanya. 8. Arabic word tamanya. Number 8 English word is left. Left. In Arabic word is yasar. Yasar. Okay? Example. Mama yasar. Okay? Means patient in the left. 9. In Arabic word is tessa. 9 in Arabic word is tessa. Number 9 English word is heat slash hot. In Arabic word is harara. Harara. Okay? They ask if your patient is baba harara means patient hot or patient have fever. La harara. 10. In Arabic word is ashara. Once again, 10. In Arabic word, ashara. English word. No money. Once again, no money. In Arabic word, mafi pulos. Okay? So we need to work hard to have pulos. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something with this basic Arabic word translated to English. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Nurse MJ Very in Qatar. God bless.